Menteri Katanat Arts and Culture u Bah Sanbor shlai ula banjur baka jingkala sya kanyam Khristan kamut ban klet no bat ban omla ya shimbenta shu ha ki jingle jingkam tenrai jong ki trai ri trai muluk ya kani menteri ula penpau balej ban ya shimbenta ha katamasa Meghalaya Tribal Indigenous Choir Festival balakot pelong daka Young Men Christian Association YMCA haringkat ke jingatri lang bat ke Shlong Public School bat bala Khristan daka Tanat Arts and Culture ha ka arpu saw trik risau Bah Sanbor ula kedauru syakikat tu kani gejela kathan syatei la mingi kabakentop ya ka Nagaland, Mizoram, bat Meghalaya, ha kabagi Khristan bat ki bamde Khristan kumju kile shimbenta, ha kaban penne pensa bat kentiwi kita masa, bat ya ki riti dustur tenrai, jong ki trai ri trai meluk. Ula ay nuksaru kum katamasa Hornbill Festival ha Nagaland, ka Wangala Dance ha Rilum Garu, berkasyat nongkrem bedeng klam ha Meghalaya ha kabagi beriu ni kikin hun jinget beper kelewan lang bane shimbenta kalong kababakla ban ong bagi tu ki balakla Khristan kimla asyu bane shimbenta ha kabaya day batla ka jong ka kolshor ong Bah Sanbor ni yo I ha Nagaland hadu kandai pa prapasen gidi ki Khristan Henry kila pene pensa ya ka Hornbill Festival ha Mizoram hadu kandai pa prapasen gidi ki Khristan Henry kila pene ya la ka jong ka riti dustur wat harilum garo kandai pesan gidi ki Khristan Henry kila pene pensa ya ka Wangala dance kabalawan yang shimbenta da baro ula ong haba benram ha ka bedeng klam ka jong nyiru da ki hajar ki pat Khristan kilawan yang shimbenta kumta kalong ka babakla ban ong ba kitu ki balakla syakan yang Khristan kimla syu ban yang shimbenta ha ka baya day batla ka jong ka kolshor
I feel so good to take part in this program organized by the Young Men Christian Association of Shillong YMCA in collaboration with the Shillong Public School, supported by the Department of Art and Culture, which I'm holding. So this is the Meghalaya Tribal Indigenous Choir Festival. This is the second year. So so many school, about 12 to 13 school, and even from there also they participate. So this is purely the indigenous folk music festival participated by 13 school. I did not count 13 school, and to promote the folk music and the culture of the tribal from the Jaintia Hills, from Khasi Hills, and even from Garo Hills, they participate. And the 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 main objective is to preserve the rich tribal culture, the tribal folk music of our Meghalaya state. So it's a big event, and we have also discussed that next year also we will invite more school and colleges to participate. That is the motive behind. So there are uh, there are few people who says that once you are converted into Christianity, you cannot participate the culture, your culture. That is very wrong. What I want to send a message is that, for example, you will see in Nagaland, 98% are Christian, but it is the Christian along with the indigenous Hindu together. How they preserve this Hornbill festival in Nagaland, and even in the once they have invited our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi also as a chief guest. You will see in Mizoram. Mizoram also 97 to 98% Christian, but they preserve their culture. So everywhere, if you go to Tripura, if you see in Arunachal, everywhere. Here in our Khasi, Jaintia, and Garo also, in Garo Hills, Songsorek indigenous Hindu are 5% only. 95% are Christian. But how they every year by year the Wangala is very big. participated all, by all this Wangala dance. So here also you will see the Shatnung Krem, in the Shatnung Krem. Both Christian and non-Christian are participating. Then here in our betting club, the greatest festival of the Panar community, you will see thousand and thousand of Christian brother and sister also they participate. They dance in the secret pool at Joy and every part of Gentiles. So to say that those who have converted to Christianity, they cannot take part in in their own culture, it is very wrong. There will be one more program on the 15th. This cultural program which will be held again in at Central Library, and this cultural program which will be held on the 15th of next month. So many traditional groups from every part of India also they were invited to take part on the 15th. So from the meaning of our department art culture is to promote, to preserve our art and culture system in our state. We've as a department of art culture, we invite all these traditional uh, culture, art and culture groups from every part of northeastern state to participate. So we will organize here in Syllad that we have discussed already. So next week we are having a meeting to discuss regarding this program. I will be having a series of inspection all over the state because I got also the suggestion from various stakeholders also that they have invited me, even local MLAs. Wherever I go, I will not bypass the local MLAs. Local MLAs will be there, local MDCs will be there. So jointly with my department, we will go to the site and see that what is happening, what is wrong, what is right. The map is already there, so that's why I told you next week I'll be having a review meeting regarding all these things. Uh, now, now what is happening? See, in Bangladesh, during my time when I was the then Art Culture Minister, so I have taken personal initiative regarding the freedom fighter Utirot Singh at Dhaka, Bangladesh. So it happened during my time, and very sad to remind you again that this incident happened in Bangladesh, where the crowd they have dismantled the bust of our freedom fighter saying we are very sad at the time. We have condemned also all these things, and even the people of Bangladesh they did not even spare their father of the nation, the late Majibur Rahman. So Bangladesh also I have discussed with Frederick. I think we will fix the time where I will go personally to Bangladesh so to see the site what to do, because we have to reconstruct, re-erect there. I will not leave. I will not leave because I have to re-erect the full size. It should not be only a bus. It should be a full size of our freedom fighter Turut Singh at Dhaka, Bangladesh. So I have planned to discuss with the Indian embassy and Bangladesh. We have to see what is the situation. But what we have, what when the situation become normal, so at the time I'll visit, then accordingly we have to take up to re-erect the statue of the Ritchie.
But by when are you expected?
We will see the situation. I have to discuss with the Indian embassy and Bangladesh.